What's up, everyone? This is Mike here at FASS Motorsports. We're here with Derrick, our sales manager. Say hi, Derrick.
Hi, guys.
This is Derrick's truck. Derrick's truck happens to be one of the most popular and common trucks that customers call in and ask for parts for, so it works out perfect. The truck is a 2013 Ford Super Duty. The truck is also stock. So we're going to change that around.
We mentioned we're building my 2013 Ford F-250, and here we have the King 3.0 Dominators that we saw in the video the other week, and we had them Cerakoted. Oh, so on a Ford, when you get the 3.0 Dominator kit, it's got these buckets. Got button rivets in them. Got to grind them out.